Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on mic on Roblox. First of all guys, you have to open Roblox app and go to three dot over here and go to settings. Just go to in settings and you have to go to in privacy now. When you open privacy guys, you just need to scroll down here and you will see here two permissions, microphone and camera input. So you can turn on the mic from here by just tapping on this toggle button next to mic, which allow you to chat with voice. Just click on this uh, toggle button to enable. Click on enable button again. So basically this setting allow you to chat with your voice. Just click on enable. Now once you enable it, you just need to open Roblox game and just you can on voice chat in the game itself. So that's how you can enable it, turn on the voice chat or turn on the mic or on Roblox. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.